Atharvashirs. So we have to now understand what are our maryadas, how we have to live within our maryadas, and I'm sure if you really work out your Sri Ganesha, for that the best is to meditate. Put yourself on some nice turf, grass, sit on that, put your left hand with the light and right hand on the mudra and say Atharvashirs. If you can remember it by heart, it's a very good thing, otherwise you can keep the book and read it. Or say Ganesha's mantra to begin with. It's going to help you very much. It's going to help you, your eyes, it's going to, your whole thing is going to be very nice.
Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tasvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Bhatasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam Ritam Vasmi Satyam Vasmi Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadhataram Avadhataram Anujanam Shishya Avapashyatat Avapurastat Avottaratat Avadakshinatat Avachodvatat Avadharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Svam Manmaya Svam Kinmaya Svam Anandamaya Svam Brahmaya Svam Satchidananda Dvityosi Svam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Svam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattastishyati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Layaneshyati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyeti Svam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Namaha Svam Chatvari Vatpadani Svam Gunatrayatitaha Svam Vihatrayatitaha Svam Kalatrayatitaha Svam Vasna Sutosri Nityam Svam Shakti Trayatmakaha Svam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Svam Brahma Svam Vishnu Svam Rudra Svam Ina Svam Agni Svam Vayu Svam Surya Svam Chandrama Svam Brahma Bhupurva Swarom Karnadim Purva Mucharya Karnadim Tadantaram Anuswara Parattaraha Ardendu Lasitam Karya Viddham Ekatta Manusvarupam Zakaro Purva Rupam Akaro Madhyam Rupam Anuswara Shantarupam Bindu Rupam Nada Sandhanam Sohita Sandhi Paisha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishi Nitre Gayatri Chanda Om Nitao Namaha Ganapataye Namaha Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakrasundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantam Chaturahastam Pashanam Shadharinam Radam Chavardam Haster Bibranam Mushaka Dvajam Rattam Lambodharam Shurpatarkam रक्तवासुतं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पितं देवं जगत्कारणम् अच्युतम् आविर्भूतं दृष्टयादौ देह पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमो प्रथमपतये नमस्तेस्तु लम्बोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री गणेश जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
गोकुलधाम में स्पेशली बीमार गौ माताओं की सेवा की जाती है और गौ माता